हम मुस्कुरा रहे हैं क्योंकि हम लखनऊ में हैं और हम लखनऊ आए हैं अपने सुपरस्टार्स की सुपर सक्सेसफुल स्टोरीज रिकॉर्ड करने। ये स्टोरीज आपको बताएंगी कि आपके करियर में कितना कुछ पॉसिबल है एंड दीज पीपल हैव प्रूव्ड इट कि सही रोड मैप, सही गाइडेंस और सही स्किल्स के साथ आप कितना कुछ अचीव कर सकते हैं। मेघना खेतरपाल, जिन्होंने 13 महीने के अंदर $100,000 से भी ज्यादा अपवर्क से कमाए हैं। तो लेट्स डीप डाइव इनटू मेघना स्टोरी।
During my day zero, unfortunately, it wasn't the best experience for me. And I could not really clear an interview at that point. Everything was new to me and it was not the easiest thing to do. And I was facing a lot of issues in my job at that time because there was a pay cut. I think one thing for sure that helped me was my background training. And two, what helped me was there was a lot of focus on self-development in every sphere and also upskilling myself. And ever since then, I have been a very ardent LawSeco fan. So now I think I'm still enrolled in one of their bar exam courses. So still doing it. So it began a couple of years ago when I think I was intrigued by the idea of providing service and having value and power at the same time. So वो idea मुझे काफ़ी intrigue करता था because you become a person people actually listen to and value. And I decided that this is something, law is something where I will be valued and I will have an impact. I will also be providing service because even today a lot of my work is about providing value and service to people. I think I'm doing a lot of M&A, intellectual property. I'm also doing some litigation now for a couple of clients. Of course, that is a lot of it is through my partner, Kaveri, who is absolutely brilliant. Then also I'm doing a lot of general corporate on Upwork. A lot of them are from the US. Some of them are from Australia, UK. जो पढ़ाया जाता है, that's very academic. And unless you want to enter the field of academics, it does not really help you all the time in your practical skill set. So that's when I thought of doing a lot of internships. And along with that, I also enrolled in a lot of LawSeco courses. I did their M&A course, which helped me secure M&A internships also. This was way back when I was in college. I think this was 2017. I did the course very seriously and finally I cracked an interview with Samvad and then eventually with Shardul Amarchand. Before Samvad, I also did the Master Access. So I did the fintech course, I did the crypto course, I did a couple of courses. I was in Bombay, I was in Delhi, but my heart was not into it. I have my family here and at some point I just wanted to be with them.
To tell you the truth, मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई because you see she was in Bombay and then in Delhi and बहुत odd hours हो जाते थे, कभी 2 बजे लौट रही है, कभी 1 बजे लौट रही है and it would really give me sleepless nights. She's more of a person who would be on herself. She enjoys her own space, her own reading, her own her own pace of working.
I was in Amarchand and it was a good experience for me. And I was in touch with Abhyuday at that time from LawSeco and I had freelanced before. I had freelanced during COVID. At that time, the job market was not great and I was facing a lot of issues in my job at that time because there was a pay cut. I had to freelance on the side and I remember I was freelancing on Fiverr at that time because I did not join Upwork back then because Upwork was too expensive. So I started with Fiverr and it went very well. I mean, I really enjoyed it. Anyway, after that, I decided that, okay, let's give law firms a shot. Let me give it a shot. And then it was Samvad, then it was Shardul Amarchand. And then I told myself that it's now a complete circle. I really want to try Upwork. This is something I really enjoy doing. And I spoke to Abhyuday and he helped me through the process,
हाँ, मुझे मालूम है बहुत सालों से वो इन टच है, वहाँ पे कोई एक मिस्टर अभ्युदय इज देयर एंड शी इज इन टच विद हिम and I think he has been guiding her because off and on बताती है कि उन्होंने ये बताया वो बताया.
I thought it would take me a couple of years to reach 100,000. You know, of course I wanted it, but I was not very attached to the idea. So I think that's how it naturally happened. And I've had an interaction with Ramanuj also, where he's given me some very important business insights on how business works. So those are some angles. I would not have been able to scale without mentorship. I attended webinars. I heard Abhyuday speak. I heard what they were doing. The one-to-one mentorship, you know. So I thought that this is something I want to give a chance to. And it was eye-opening at that time. As somebody who did not have so much experience in M&A, it was an eye-opening course for me because I learned practical insights. You know, I was in a general cop team which did not have that kind of M&A work. So it was very interesting to at least know what's happening. And ever since then, I have been a very ardent Law Seco fan. So now I think I'm still enrolled in one of their bar exam courses. So still doing it. If it was a regular day where I'm not traveling for work, sometimes I travel for work too. I'd wake up early, okay, get a lot of my work done till about 12 and delegate some of it to my team. Then that's when I take a little break. I spend some time with my pets and yeah, after that I get back to work, wrap up by 7, 8 like that. It's always a step-by-step journey. I'm hustling, then I'm comfortable, hustling, comfortable.
But I will tell you something, Meghna has really worked hard.
Right now, most definitely comfortable. Like, I'm not hustling as much as I should.
I was always very comfortable with the decisions.
But that'll come with a little time. Yeah.